So hello guys, welcome back in Smart channel. So guys, in this video we are going to make our custom website. Okay, so how we can make, I just show you. We make a fully search engine, that we make websites. Okay, and we put some more details. Okay, similar as like Google. I just show you how our website look. Okay, so basically let's take some picture from Google. Okay, so here is the Google Chrome. Okay, so what we do is first you can see there is a lots of things. So let's first what we do is go on settings, and on the settings or go on the history. Okay, and clean up all the data so the web view becomes totally fresh. Okay, then we can get a new as like a new Chrome. Then we just make the app is similar type of Google Chrome. Okay, we try to make it similar type of Google Chrome. We make it first a engine, then we add the website, so anyone can add website, and anyone can download anything. Okay, we just make it basically make a app in. Okay, so okay, the browser is now fully data. Let's clean up again. Okay, done. So now you can see if I click on new, so now you can see it's now fully refreshed. So let's open our my net connection, and now you can see that how it's looking, or the how is the Google the latest version is looking. So let's refresh again it. So now you can see that what's showing, there is some icons in here as like YouTube, Facebook, and other some social media. Then there's a search bar, and on the search bar you can see there's the Google logo, and there's a home button, and it's fully white. So we make that. So for that, what you do is we take some screenshot. Okay, let's first take a screenshot. Okay, our first screenshot is done. How's the look? Then after that, what it will be show. Okay, okay, when we go some website, what's it's like. So let's go on www.google. Okay, google.com. If I search again, you can see it's now fully blank, so we can't search that one. We need to search some another websites. Okay, so let's write Facebook. Okay, let's just search Facebook. So now you can see after downloading how it shows. There is a search bar, and there is the Google come in the small letters. Then you can see there's some give a navigation bar. Okay, so on the navigation bar you can see there is all videos, news, image, maps, and books. Okay, and then you can see there's a give a lot of list view, and there the list view has look. So let's take one more screenshot for that. So on the future we do that. Okay, so let's try to make it. Okay, we try to make a single type of. Okay, now we have the main interface, how it works and how it looks and what is the color. So let's come first in the, let's turn off my internet contact so it don't will be show the ad. Let's come back, let's save it. Okay, so now you can see my project name is super knowledge web. Okay, so let's go on settings, come on to brands, and now you can set it all the colors is white. Okay, so because the Google Chrome is using like white, the navigation bar, the top bar, then the action bar, and the process bar is also using white. So what we need to set all into things is white. And you can see I just changed my packaging name convert super. You can also change in last video or next video. We'll try to improve it some more. Okay, so let's save it. Okay, so now what you need to do is we need to add our first come on view. Now the main screen is a blank screen. Okay, we show the fully, there's a keyboard and there's the bar. Okay, how it's on the Google, I just show you. We take a screenshot, that's why, so we can navigation it very quickly. So now you can see on the main screen, you can see there is a bar, and on the bar there is a blue term and Google logo. So it is the main page. So let's do that. We just add a top bar. Okay, and we don't add any FAB icon. You can see there is no FAB icon, so we do the same thing. Then you can set it both if you want. So let's set it both. Okay, because the Google the Chrome work like the Kodular and the landscape too. So let's click on save, and the tag is unexpected. Okay, let's click one more. That one is for you know that after we search everything or click on next, what we do is it show it our second page as like. So we give it a name of that list data. Okay, server data, server you need to give it a small letter. We can't use big letter server data. Okay, so let's remove that, and now you can see that on the server data there is the same a bar as true bar and the other thing. So let's turn that one to server data and both and save or add. Okay, now we have a two page. That one is for mini screen, okay, where you can first user go, then the search menu. Okay, so what you need to do also, we need a custom page. So let's give it dis display view. Okay, display view. It's look amazing name. Give it an amazing name. Now basically let's make a logo for our web. Okay, so I use a logo maker for make it. So where is my logo maker? Where is my logo maker? Okay, let me find. Okay, I found it. Okay, now you can see there is my logo plus. Let's create a new. Let's set it logo, and now we want to create a logo. So for now we need to again unbreakable my internet, and let's search some logo. Okay, after searching the logo I will show you. Okay, so I found a logo as like. So let's what we do is let's write the name. Okay, how down the Google show. Okay, so you can see on the Google there is a words like some colors. So let's create our true. Okay, as so let's give the three words is super super. Okay, the super we set it as light, and we set it the red. Okay, super, and we set it K and K. Okay, small letter noise, and now we set it the color is blue. Okay, so even our text is so big, so what we do is give it some low and set it more than here, and set it on here, and just adjust here, and let's put it some big, and let's do some scrolling here. Okay, super, and last word is red. So what red? So what is the color we need to see? Green. Okay, we can use green. So let's set it green and small, very green. Okay, that one is good. Okay, now our website looking good. Our website logo. So we can also use yellow. So let's use it yellow. Okay, maybe give some more effectable. Okay, now you can see it's more than looking good. Okay, so here is our logo. So let's just table some. Let's just table it, and let's just adjust it. Okay, done. Now what we do is click on save, download. Okay, done. So here our image is done. What we do is now come on here, and let's say you can see there's a fully big logo. So we just need the small one. So what we do is cut the logo from here. We just need that one, and let's save it. Save, and now we also you can use that one too, but we use that one. Okay, so come on here. Let's go on image, and image, click on plus, go on add image, and now let's save it that one, and you can give it ICO, and okay, that is we need to give some unique name. Okay, so first one is done. So let's use that first one and here. So let's set it match it pattern. So now come on again on the image, and let's see now what we need to do. So you can see now after the action bar what is display, that you can see the image. So it's our image. So let's set it first 150. Okay, first we just try and adjust that. Okay, now you can see it's more than looking. So let's say add a linear, but for a linear we add a scroll down version, set it full, and after that we add a linear, so we can adjust how we want. Then on the linear, okay, the vertical linear, we set the background color is white. Okay, now it's it's more than looking good. So let's now take it on here. So now you can see it's more than looking good. So let's say the center of crop, it's very big, center of inside, now it's just. So now you can see it's more looking good. So super noise wave. Okay, so we can also set it more low, that 100. I think 100 is perfect for that. So we are also going to give it some more big. So what we do is, let's give it 100. Okay, now you can see it's now looking some big. Okay, how it will look. And after that, now we need a search bar. Okay, that is our search bar. So let's give it. Also we need to give it some data. So let's say the gravity is center. Okay, so now you can see we have a view. So let's create it the 18 and now you can see the search bar, there's some so on the Google Store is search. So let's give it create search dot create, and now we need to say that color, that is the Google grid. Okay, so I think there's some type of color, but we need to give some the background resource is that some gray color. Okay, that one is some good. So after then we just give a code to this. You can see the after the side of phone is some rounded, so we are also do that one too. Okay, after then we give a space from here. So we set it 100. Yeah, 100 is good. So now we have a space here. Okay, we don't need to give some ready, it's ready. So let's give it 60. Okay, 60 is very good for here. Now we need as like a bar. We need to give Facebook, YouTube, and some other applications icon in here. Okay, so what we need to do is, we need to give a linear here. Okay, there is a linear. Let me give more a linear. We set the linear size to one side, and okay. So now we have a list of, we can add the image over here. Okay, so let's give the image on here, and what you can see, the after the image it will be showing here the name. So also we need to give the name. So for that, what you need to do is to set the name. So for setting the name, we set it with data, and that is on here, and a linear, and one more linear from the space. Now we want to need a Facebook. Okay, Facebook icon and YouTube icon. So what we do is, let's go on image section and let's search for our, and what we do is we make our own. So we just go and again for the image icon maker, and let's find again we need a logo. So what we do, we need just a video player. So we go and set on here, and on the scroll down version we just search in media or video as like, or social media or photograph. Okay, as like icon. So we find maybe a YouTube or like or some type of icon. So there's a lot of icons that you know, there's some type of like of icon. Okay, TV, there's a not so good icon. Okay, so let's set that one. It's looking good. A camera, some type of camera or video. Let's import in our Sketchware. So let's set, let's use it, and let's add anyone can give you name what you want. Okay, now here is our icon. So let's set it, the icon size is 40 by 40. Okay, even it's very small, we can change it, not a problem. Let's set it icon center of inside. So now you can see it's more than looking good. And what we do is we set the name is video. Yeah, video player. So the ID of video. The other one, yes, video player is looking good. So for it, you can see the icon at the not same. So we also give a space in here. Okay, so you can see it's not so much good. So you can see that it's not so much good, so but not a problem, we fix that problem next. Okay, so now here is a linear, so it's now looking some good. Okay, some good. So we also give some recipe here, so for that we can set it 10 is so 40 is good, or 40 is so big, so let's say it is 30. Yeah, 30 is now more than, you can see the name on the linear is we need a similar type of. Okay, so here is our search view and the data. Okay, now here is our first thing that now you can see that just some looking like Google. Okay, so here is our Google's and axis. So now we have to make a search bar in here. Okay, so it is our search bar. So after that what you do is then it's done. Okay, so after then searching what is do. Okay, we need to give it data that what it do, where it go. So we also need a search icon. So and to do is, so where I just download the search icon. Okay, so I am on Google, so you can see there is a lot of search icon, so we need a good search icon. So let's set it that one, it's more than more good. So download it. Okay, the download, the common app, and now we have to set it that with the linear. So let's set it as linear, set it on here, and after that we need to add an image. So let's set the image in here. So now you can see that it's too big, so we set it 300 and let's set it 40 by 40. So it becomes some small, so we can add our image and some other things very goodly. So we need to again import the picture on here, and basically we need a database for showing or get the data, or CI or hello. And then set it that, set it in center of inside, so now it's looking more than good. And now what we do is set activity center of horizontal. So now you can see it's more than looking good. So then there is a search, so we give it a name is search. Okay, the search search data. Okay, data, and it's our search bar. So what you do is the name is give it search, search. So here is our search data. It is our search where we give the link or the website link. Then so after then writing it is, I need to click that one, then it will be true. Okay, so after then we need to create a component that I. Okay, so we set it that I. So let's need to add the search that on search change, then we need our search data. So on the activity we do a basic code that. Okay, if then okay, we just stated a data that if then they are on the edit text. Okay, it means that on our search bar, if then there is a not writing anything, the image will be invisible. Okay, if then there is a write, then it will be visible. Okay, so for that we use a equal, then view dot we need edit text. So then say to the edit text search. If then the edit text search equals empty, then it will be don't display the image icon. Okay, our search bar. So let's say it search. Here is our search data, and search data equal to invisible. Okay, copy the block again, and we now set the one more that visible. So if then it's the text equal to invisible, so then it will be visible. So you can see now we give it data that here. If then the edit text equal to empty, it will be don't display the our search icon. Okay, our search bar. After then what it will do, then if then it's not empty, then it will be display that. Okay, so it's more like okay. Okay, done. So after then click on the search one. What you do is now into need a action, okay, then screen data, and then we need a put essential key. So set it I with I and start the activity and with I. So you give the key is data, and the whole data comes from the view, okay. It just get the data from the app, then set it just against in our search data, okay, or data list or server data. Okay, now what you do is if then you give a link, after the link it will be search and go on here, and after then it click, it will be go on our second page. I know that video is too long, but it is our website builder. We create a custom website, a search engine, so that's it's still very long. I know that, but not a problem. After that, we can make a successful our own app engine or search engine. Okay, now that whole process is done. Okay, we do there the stream and names. Now we do the work of that one. Okay, now with that one. So come on again here. So now we need to add a image here to display our icons from type like in Google. So set it 800 because it's not so big. So set that one. After then what you do is set of inside, center of inside. So now it's looking good, but we need to do something more. Need a scroll view, set it match it pattern, linear V, set again match it pattern. Now like again need to set image color or linear color white, set it on here. So now it's more than looking some good. Okay, now again we need a search bar in here. Okay, so let the search bar match with pattern. Not this time we don't give match with pattern. Okay, we set it just that one, and we set the heightness and size is 350. So now you can see there is some gap in the last layout, but it's not a very big problem, don't worry. That is 18 SP the size. Okay, then the hidden the right is search SEARCH. Okay, again we search dot 3 dot dot and set it here, and what we do is background color we set it that one. So it's now looking more than good. Okay, similar type of Google web. Okay, now you can see after that what it do is there is the action bar, so we do it last, but now we add a please be on here to display all data in here. So we use a linear to give us some gap in here, then set it the match with pattern. Okay, so now we can set our display all the things for our custom view how it shows. Okay, so now we have a search box, and after that it will be display the whole thing in our that one. Okay, now you can see after that here that the how it's looking. So there is a icon from there, the company, then the website links, then the name, then some data from here. Okay, so what we do, come on custom web. Okay, now we want to use a linear, set the linear with match it pattern, because the linear it helps us much in here. We need to set the one by one data, so that's why. Okay, so what you do, we need a kind of first one is for link. Okay, so let me set it that link link, which is our link. Now it's some small, so what we do is more than we set it some more small, so we set it 11 SP, so it's now become more small. And after that there is one more, and the one more we set the ping is 50. Okay, so now it's more than some good. Okay, then we just set it the match with pattern, and now what we do is set it 18 SP. Okay, because it's super big, so we set it 20 SP, and we set the color is, you can see blue. Okay, it's displaying the color is blue, so let's set it the color blue, fully blue, and we said the hairstyle is some blood, so it's more than with some good. Okay, so you can see that whereas you can see the color is not that one how it's that color doing, so we need some more deep. Okay, so what we do is we set it blue. Okay, now blue is like similar type of now like you can see the icon here. Okay, that's some more than making some good. Then there is we give a short description. Okay, so this kind of work, so we set it just short describe, so full width. Okay, but we set the width data is 100. Okay, so more than 100 it's not show anything, or we not need to, and the size is 18 sp. Okay, not so much, 18 sp. Okay, with there you can user can write 3 lines maximum, and can't write anything. And after then the data is done, so we set the with data. Okay, it's automatic display. You can see after that what you do, you can see when the site is post, it will give a linear gap, so we set it the linear gap from here, so give a data and set it 50. Okay, not so much, just 50. And we set the fully linear. Okay, we need to remember that it is a linear. Then here is our, that is the name of the company. Okay, or website, so name web dot or space a name, and then the second one or the text tree is the short description. Okay, so now you can see I set it a short DSP, it means that description. Okay, so short description, so you can see the short description color like not so black. Okay, so what we do is we change the color of the short description, that we set it lighter and some darker too, but not so light, not so dark. Okay, let's set it more. Okay, that one is so good. You can see now it's looking like some of the Google. Okay, so that's all in this video. Please like, subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon. In second part we also update then more things and more. Okay, so don't forget to, if you can see that there's a, just go and see the description box. If then there is a part 2, so please see the part 2 also, then we can make it more bland special and more than good. Then if you don't see that there's to give the part 2 or part 3 link, you can just wait for the giving the part 2 or part 3 link. Please like, subscribe channel, hit the bell icon for making like your own custom web view or app engine. Okay, so bye bye guys.